Hi, I'm Diego Alonso with DiegoAlonsoGuitar.com, and today we're going to talk about a flamenco technique called the rasgueado. Rasgueado in Spanish just means strum. And in flamenco there are tons of different rasgueado patterns out there. We're going to talk about just one that includes the index, middle, and ring fingers. It's the I, M, and A fingers. Okay? Like always, I'm going to do a quick demo at the beginning to show you how it's done, and I'll do a close-up to break down the technique for you. The first thing I want to explain is that there are tons of different kinds of extension rasgueados that we could do. One of them includes all four fingers, so C, A, M, and I. We're just going to use, again, I, M, and A, right? Next thing we want to understand is that there are closed position rasgueados and open position rasgueados, right? So closed position is coming from the meat of the hand, so you kind of flick, kind of like flicking a marble really hard or a piece of paper. Right? And the other one is open position, where you extend from the air, so flick kind of lightly. Both of them are valid. I actually used both in the demo that I just did, but we're going to talk just about the open position rasgueado. Okay? First thing we want to do is rest your arm on the guitar. Depending on your arm length, you could end up on your bicep, on your 3/4 of the way, forearm, middle of the forearm, anywhere. Just kind of be comfortable on the guitar, relax your shoulders. And then get your thumb planted on the 6th string. When you plant on the 6th string, you want to slightly rotate your thumb so that this knuckle hits the top. Once it hits the top, pull away about 2 centimeters or so. Then you want to take the pinky edge of the hand and rotate that close to the string. If you're away and you extend, you'll miss. So closer so you can make contact. Right? Finally, the pinky remains extended. Again, we're not using the pinky for this particular example. We're going to extend with each finger one at a time. So A first, then M, then I, and then back with I, and I'll show you what that means in a second. So the first thing for the extension of A is let your A finger, the nail, make contact with the string in the middle of the nail, not at the end, otherwise you get a thin sound. So middle. And then you want to rake your A finger down. So again, pinky out, light rakes. Okay. Notice that I and M remain up. So once that gets comfortable, once you can rake lightly from the 6th string to the 1st string, then go a little faster through the strings. Not harder, just faster. It's very important that you remain relaxed. You do that about 10 times for the A finger, then you do the M finger. Same thing, middle of the nail, rake super slowly, leave C and A extended. I remains up. Okay. Slowly rake through lightly once that feels comfortable. A little faster through the strings, but maintain that lightness. Okay. All the strings. Finally, the I finger. Again, you can see it better from this angle. Right. Notice I'm not resting and then going. I'm going from the air, going for that 6th string, raking all the way down. Notice what my thumb does when my I finger extends. It drops a little bit. I'm not forcing that. Just don't even think about that too much. Think about the I finger. You're about letting the hand relax. Okay? And again, 10 times for that finger. The last movement is an upstroke of the I finger. It's going to go through these 3 strings. Just as lightly as you went down, you want to go up. Right? The difference between this movement, obviously besides the upstroke, and the others is that the other fingers are going to go along for the ride. So only the I finger is going to go up, but these fingers are going to move up with it so that they can get into ready position. Right? So first 3 strings with the I, the other fingers go up lightly. Notice I'm kind of leaving it, the pinky out a little bit. Don't even worry about that too much. Just I up a little bit. Okay? And once that gets comfortable, a little faster. Okay? Notice the thumb goes back to its crow position. So we can start over again, right? After you do that, link them together. So leave the pinky out, and you're going to go A, M, I, A, M, remember, lightly. Don't do this hard, just do it very lightly at first so you can get the movement right. Once that feels comfortable, a little faster through the strings, a little faster from finger to finger. Go only as fast as your tension limit permits. What I mean by that is, once you start to feel tension, pull back, don't go any faster. You don't want to feel tension. You want to you want it to feel easy. So only go as fast as you can so that it feels easy. And you want to get a good sound, a good, nice, full rig sound, okay? Thanks for watching. For more information on in-person lessons in Chicago, Illinois, or online lessons, visit me at diegoalonsoguitar.com or on Facebook, facebook.com/diegoalonsoguitar. Thanks.